Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to hide double tick in WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp application. Then, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found by tapping the three dots or your profile icon. From there, we'll dive into the Privacy section to adjust your read receipt preferences. This simple change gives you more control over your messaging experience. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for the Privacy option and tap on it. Inside the Privacy settings, you'll find a toggle labeled Read Receipts. Simply tap this toggle to turn it off. This action immediately prevents blue ticks from appearing when you read messages in individual chats. It's a quick and effective way to manage your online presence. It's important to understand the implications of disabling read receipts. While your contacts won't see blue ticks when you read their messages, you also won't see blue ticks for messages you send to them. This setting creates a mutual privacy. However, the gray double tick, indicating message delivery, will still appear. This ensures you know your message has reached its destination. Even with read receipts enabled, there are clever ways to read messages without triggering the blue ticks. You can simply read messages directly from your phone's notification panel without opening WhatsApp. Another useful trick is to add the WhatsApp widget to your home screen, allowing you to preview messages discreetly. Remember, for more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks, so consider Darn Tough with their lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.